Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Caleb. I'm just gonna bring you guys a quick video from my phone. My truck, my 2003 Toyota Tacoma, just threw a engine code P0031. That's low voltage to the heater on bank 1, sensor 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where that is. It's super easy to replace yourself, so don't go take it to a shop and spend hundreds of dollars for nothing. So just let me show you how to replace that real quick. Okay, so I've already done mine, but I figured I would just show you guys where it's at, how easy it is to do. This is an automatic transmission. I believe it's a little bit different for the manuals, but in general, or all in all, it should be pretty much the same. So you're gonna go ahead and go under the vehicle towards the front tire here. Okay, so there's the front right tire right there, and then if you look above it, that's gonna be the oxygen sensor that you're replacing. So just take a 12mm socket and a ratchet wrench, take those two guys off, and your new one should come with a brand new gasket, so you should be good to go with that. And then go ahead and follow that wire, and right behind it, right above the catalytic converter, is gonna be the plug. There's a little push button up here on the top. You just go ahead, take that out, unplug it, plug in your new one, and then you're all set to go. So yeah, that's all there is to it. After this, you would just need to clear your engine code, and you'd be all set, not having to pay a mechanic to do this really simple job. So yeah, it's super easy. You can do it in like 10 minutes. Anybody can do that. You don't need to waste money on paying a mechanic to do something super easy like that. So hope you enjoyed. Hope I helped you out if you're having the same problem. Subscribe, like the video if I helped you out. See you guys in the next one.